Alright guys, so I'm an affiliate for the brand Wild. They do refillable natural personal care products, and I actually ordered from them several months ago, at the beginning of the year, I guess, and tried some of their stuff before I became an affiliate, and I really like it. I use their deodorant. I've tried a couple of different ones, and so once I decided that I really liked the product, I decided to accept their offer to become an affiliate. So this box is my welcome box that I got from them. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what's in it. And you're gonna see it with me together. Sorry. See? So, how fun. Oh, I didn't know there was so much in here. So, these are refillable, which I think is great fun. It's a soap container, and then I guess this is the soap. That's funny. I think I already got the B one because I love these. So, and these, this is like a travel deodorant stick, which is nice. And then these are refills for the deodorant. So I've been using, I've been trying to use natural deodorants for several years. I have, I chalk a lot up to fibromyalgia, but I have fibromyalgia, and they are, I don't know, I started having reactions. My skin is a lot more sensitive than it used to be. And, I'm not telling you that you wouldn't have any reactions with this stuff. Like, how am I supposed to know that? This is just my personal experience. Ooh, the mango. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Anyway, so I started trying to use more natural products like shampoo and deodorant. And I've tried a lot of different of the natural, like air quotes, natural stuff. And they work okay, but I really liked this brand, like the prospect of having these refillable, because I'm trying to limit like my impact on, the earth. I have kids, I don't know if they're gonna have kids, but I want, them to have a world to live in the future. So, this is not plastic. That's neat. Honey body wash. Oh, goes perfectly with the bee. Anyways, so I'm an affiliate for Wild, and if you make a purchase and use my, oh, it's a body wash. Nice. I thought it was a hand soap. If you make a purchase with my code and or my link, which is Allison Creates, I'll put it on the screen, you get 20% off. And, I would obviously get some kind of percent. Oh, wow, that looks rough. It's a refill. Yeah, this box got a little damaged. It was a little rough. I wonder how this looks. Hold on. Oh, it's a little bent. Oh, but it like kind of bent back. So I might still be able to use that in the lip balm. Vanilla Frost. Is that what that says? Yeah, Vanilla Frost. So, did I go lip balm? I mean, I have a lip balm. I have a lip balm container, so, but they didn't give me a lip balm container. Huh. Very weird. Okay, so I just went and got what I ordered. So, proof. This is my V1 because it's a limited edition, I think. And then this is the one that they sent me. So pretty funny. I have two. And I got the star one, which I liked as well. And so I got the star lip balm one because it's cute, it matches. But I have a lip balm in here, so I can't really try the new one yet because I can't take this one out. Yeah, so if you want to try Wild, I definitely really recommend it. It's great for the environment because you can use, reuse these. They're metal. And yeah, if you use natural deodorant, or if you've been thinking about it, or they have body wash, obviously, lip balm, and other things, you can use my link to check out what they have. And like I said, I am an affiliate for them now. If you make a purchase, you can get 20% off your order. So let me know if you've tried Wild or if you've been thinking about it. And yeah, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.